I got rid of my hiccups for doing nothing. I love my hiccups. Where'd they go? Flower. Oh. I want a hiccup. But I can't. Can I hiccup? Can I? Why is the flower changing colors? You dumb flower, stop changing colors. Oh, I ran out of hiccups, guys. Wait, you're not guys, you're just Aubrey. And Aubrey's a stinky butthole. Stinky butthole. Ah! Guess what? I'm sorry, but I have to leave. Wait. I farted. Huh. I have no more hiccups. Well, I ran to pick up. Bye, guys. You're boring. See you later. But one thing. Your mom told me that you're dumb. Because you're dumb. And nobody likes you. But you're dumb. No one likes you. So shut up. Get out of here. Okay, so you're dumb, you're stupid, you suck buttholes and butt cheeks. So see you later, butthole.